guys? It's UDR here. And I got my new ride in today, the DR10. Just got it in the mail about 5 minutes ago. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of it, show you guys what she look like. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I was trying to get the GoPro mounted up in my head, but it's not trying to cooperate, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done however I can. Alright, so first, crack the box open. This is what we see. So, I got 2 of them in here. I actually picked up one for my boy, the VA boy. I'll be giving him some L's. So we both got one. And we're gonna go ahead and see what they do. Alright, so I got them both out the box. So one's gonna be mine, one's gonna be one for the VA boy, aka Rick. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox mine. I'm gonna take them on the left. I'm gonna put this one to the side, and that'll be for my boy. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the seal on this bad boy. I'll tell you what, man, I'm pretty excited. Quick little look. So 10 scale, 2-wheel drive, electric of course, on road, pre-painted body, 2.4 gigahertz, ready to run. So quick overview. That's what the box looked like. She looks real good. Lightweight drag inspired wheels, 3-position wheelie bar, water resistant enclosed receiver box, and I believe in here is where the gyro is. Let's take a look at her real quick. All right, go ahead and cut the seal. One of them. All right, got one. And then we got two seals right here. All right, got a little bit of a crew back there. X-Max, limitless, fraction, Typhon, 2/, with 3 down there. Rustler up top. Got the TC4, man, wow. You know, like that new car smell, y'all, or new RC smell. So once you pop the top open, this is what you see, man. Got your remote, 2.4, got the body. Nice orange, looking good. Got the wing back here. Then you got your little manual, little toolkit. Look like little shims and all that. Not too much in there, which is cool. I mean, don't matter to me. I'll put this aside. All right, now we got the DR10. All right, hold on, see if I can pop it out of there. All right, y'all, give me 1 second. Let me get something to cut this car out. Cut the zip tie in the 2.4. This is what it is. She feels pretty good. Foam padding on the steering wheel. You have dual rates. You got your trim. You got the reversed. You got your low battery indicator up there. You know, regular little RTR. Got your on and off right here. Got your batteries. Let's see what we got. So that's a little tab. You press right here. This is 4 batteries. All right. So we got her, put her down. The XP120. Now, let me see. Let me go ahead and cut the tires off the car, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so I got this cut out of here, and we got my daughter, man. This is her purple slash on the left, and my son's on the right. She loved these cars as well, my son as well. But he's hidden away right now because he come out here and just go crazy with this car. So she'll help me real quick take the car out, and she got a little YouTube channel, Hanging with Vicky. She do a little, you know, little kid stuff on there, y'all. If you got little kids, have them go check it out, man. It's called Hanging with Vicky. Let me have her help me get the car out. So we go ahead and pull the car out for me, baby girl.
Sure.
I'm gonna help her. All right. Move the box out the way. She's gonna go ahead, put her down. Man, guys, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. This thing looks good, man. It looks amazing. I mean, all the videos we've seen, I mean, I don't think it did it justice. I mean, at least it's my opinion, man. It looked like a two-piece body. The front bumper looked like it's screwed in. It could, you know, be detached. Like that scoop in the front makes it look real aggressive. These tires, oh, it's nice and soft. Oh man, it feels pretty good. Oh yeah, the rear tire. Oh, this is pretty good, man. I mean, it's, you know, I'm not no drag racer with these type of cars. I mean, to me, it feels good. We can definitely see what it looks like when get on the streets. This thing got me out of breath, y'all, because I'm so excited, man. I'm sweating and everything. Look at the wing. Got the wheelie bar. Man, let me go ahead and pop. Man, nah, hold on. Let me go ahead and move this box real quick, man, so I get a good angle on this thing for y'all. Let me go ahead and move this box. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Oh, man. Guys, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh, let me pull the zip ties out of here. Let's take the zip ties in the bottom of it. Guys. She going nice and smooth, y'all. I mean, look at her. Look at the back. Oh, man. Look at that, y'all. Excuse me for my excitement, but I'm really digging this car. Look at that. Around the other way. Wow. Wow. Let me go ahead and pull the cover on her. Go ahead and pop the top on her. Sorry, the video a little long, but I'm trying to speed it up for y'all real quick. Alright, so I haven't had the short course truck version of this, but it reminds me of like a slash, a low LCG slash from just looking at it right now. ESC, this is the receiver box back here, servo, and I'm standing behind the car right now. You got your motor right back here. Then you got the little gearbox cover. Does it remind me of the slash, the way it's, you know, built. Comes with Deans. I'll be taking these off and I'll be running some XT90s. Got your waterproof switch right here. Man. Yeah, it's real nice. These tires got a nice feel to them. It's nice and grippy though. Real nice. See the bottom of the chassis. It reminds me of a slash quite a bit, but of course not a slash. Now it has a 3-position wheelie bar. Have to look and see exactly where it adjusts, but somewhere back there, I guess. But real quick, guys, this is the look of a quick unboxing of the DR10, guys. Drag car by Team Associated. Well, thank y'all for staying tuned, watch my videos, man, and stay tuned for some more. I mean, it's raining like crazy out today, so won't be able to take it out and run it today as usual. I got that rain out here, but as soon as I can, I'm gonna get it outside and run it. But you know me, I'm having it in the basement, just putting it around just to see how she move. But thanks again. Thanks for watching.